Welcome to the first episode of Moroccan Food 101, where we look at the foundations of the Moroccan kitchen. Today, we're talking about argan oil, and we'll be using it to make a delicious spread called amlou. I spent some time learning about argan oil production on one of my last trips to Morocco. The trees, they're native to the southwest of Morocco and are so unique that they actually have UNESCO status. In the States, many of us know argan oil from the beauty industry, but in Morocco, it's roasted, and culinary argan oil has so many uses in the kitchen. Amlou is one of those uses. It's a paste that's traditionally made from toasted ground almonds, argan oil, and honey. It's typically eaten for breakfast or a snack with bread or msemen, but honestly, it's so delicious that you can eat it with so many things. Many of you have shared with me that you refer to it as the Moroccan Nutella, and I can see why. I'll share an exact recipe for making this tasty spread in the description below, but essentially it starts by toasting almonds and grinding them into an almond butter. You'll mix in the argan oil followed by some honey, which I like to warm a bit to ensure that it mixes in smoothly. I sprinkle mine with a pinch of salt to really bring out the flavors, and voila. Let me know what you'd like to learn about next. Like and follow for more, and as always, psaha and bon appetit!